makakausap po muna natin ang nagsisilbing Vice Chairperson ng House Committee on Justice, si Baguio City Representative Mauricio Dumugan. Kaugnay po ito doon ho sa inaasahan pong pagtalakay muli ng Justice Committee ng Kamara de Representantes sa dalawang magkahiwalay at magkasunod na impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Maraming salamat. Thank you for joining us, Baguio City Representative Dumugan, sir, si Bombo Genesis at Bombo Everito. Thank you for joining us sa Bombo Radio Philippines. Welcome sa Bombo Network News. I understand na ngayong linggo ay may posibilidad na tatalakayin po muli ng Justice Committee salig doon sa 10 days rule na sinasabi ho ng Korte Suprema. At although hindi ho maari or iniiwasan ho ng mga Justice Committee members na magkomento muna doon sa kaso, pero so far may wino kung nabasa na ho ninyo yung content o yung nilalaman na po ng complaint, dalawang complaint laban kay Vice President Sara, Representative Dumugan, sir.
But, yeah, I was told na there are two, ang sabi mo, impeachment complaints na filed against Vice President Sara Duterte. Hindi ko pa nabasa yan. Hindi ko pa nabasa yan. So I cannot comment sa contents of the complaints.
Okay. Pero sa kabila ho nito, ano pong pwedeng asahan or expect ho ng kampo ni Vice President Sara Duterte mula ho sa Justice Committee kung saan na umuupo ho kayo bilang Vice Chair ng naturang komite?
Ako, as far as I am concerned, it has to undergo the same process as the committee had done in the two impeachment complaints kontra kay Apo Presidente Bongbong Marcos. At kung bibase natin sa rules ng impeachment of the House at walang ebidensya, wala tayong magawa kundi as we have done in the previous complaints, i-declare it as not sufficient in form or talagang hindi sufficient yung narration of facts to prove that there are constitutional violations which are impeachable offense. Ngunit, kung mayroon authentic records or yung talagang mag-affidavit yan base sa kanyang personal knowledge, well, it will be a different story.
Kung babalikan ho natin yung pong deliberation po ng Justice Committee last week, Representative Dumugan, sir, ang sabi ho ni Representative Antonio Tinio na isa po dun sa mga sumuporta dun sa complaint against kay Pangulong Marcos, parang dati na raw hong may plano ang inyong komite, ang Committee on Justice, na nagtatalaga ho ng timeline para ho tuluyang ibasura yung complaint, dalawang complaint laban kay Pangulong Marcos. Anong komento ho ninyo dito, sir?
Well, unfair naman na comment yan. Well, but that is his comment. But I hope we will understand that. Kaya nang sabi ko, we condemn corruption. And we still continue to condemn corruption. On the issue of impeaching the president, on evidence na talagang hindi naman sufficient, ay talagang do not blame those who had voted to declare the complaint as not sufficient in form.
Okay. Bob Weber, with your questions.
Alright. Representative Dumugan, doon naman po tayo sa impeachment complaint na inihain laban po kay Vice President Sara. Can we expect po na more transparent hearing po yung mangyayari mula doon sa komite para kahit papano po ay maiwasan yung katulad po ng mga komento ni Representative Antonio Tinio?
Open naman, nakatelevise lahat yung Nakita naman yung taong bayan na the complaint had been deliberated yun yung dyan inisa-isa namin yung and intelligent naman yung nasa kabila. We have of course si Congresswoman Leila de Lima, si Apo Chil Diokno, some of them maliban kay Apo Congressman Tinio, magagaling sila in fairness. Of course, hindi lang kami we do not agree point kasi pinipilit nila sa pagsabi na may corruption na nangyari, totoo naman na mayroon. Ngunit sana we will stop there in declare na sufficient in substance yung complaint. I do not naman agree kasi asan yung basihan yung sabi natin na may korupsyon. Yung basihan ni yung newspaper clippings and then yung confusion daw ni Nico na nasabi natin fugitive from justice na outside of the Philippines. Kung asan siya ngayon, we do not know. And then, of course, yung confusion ni Yosik Bernardo na hindi naman directly link si President yan sa kanyang confusion at hindi natin ito makalimutan. Presidente mismo ang talagang naglabas yan sa kanyang zona at as a result, investigations have been conducted. He formed the independent investigation, ICI, and ulitin natin, as a result, nandiyan na ang meron yung resulta na some are already been filed with the Sandigan Bayan and they are now facing plunder in GRAP cases. Some are undergoing preliminary investigation. So, yun naman yung so talagang sa assessment ng it's not to defend the president but kung ang rules, yun yung sundin at sa pananaw ng mas marami talagang hindi sufficient informed. Well, kung may ibang view si Apotinio, well, we have to respect his view.
Okay. Any assurance din po, Representative Dumogan, na tulad po ng ginawa ng Justice Committee doon sa impeachment complaint laban sa Pangulo ay iisa-isahin din po na aaralin po ng komite yung grounds laban po kay Vice President Sara?
Inisa-isa namin yan. Matapos lahat yung ang habang debate, na-close yung debate and then nagbotohan yung members of the committee. So, diyan nga na yung resulta, the committee through its collective decision declared that both complaints are not sufficient informed base sa rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives.
Okay, Bombo Jen.
Okay. Thank you for joining us, Representative Dumugan, sir. I understand na ngayong araw meron po kayong muling pagpupulong dyan sa May Justice Committee. After ho siguro ng ilang mga development, muli kaming uugnay sa inyo. Maraming salamat at ingat po kayo, sir.
Thank you also. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to talk with our beloved people. So God bless to each and everyone.
Ingat ho kayo. Si Baguio City Representative Mauricio Dumugan ang nagsisilbing Vice Chairperson ng House Committee on Justice, mga kabombo.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.